In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get cheap car insurance in Ontario. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to lower your insurance costs in Ontario and how to get it very cheap. So, first, use the following tips. Always use online comparison websites to compare the quotes from multiple insurers and find the best deals for your specific needs. So you have plenty of websites to do this. In this video, I'm going to showcase three: rates.ca, ratehub.ca, and finally mychoice.ca. When you arrive at all of these pages, you will notice that you can include a code here, and once you include the needed postal code, you will be able to get various different quotes. You might be able to find specific car insurance types, so you can browse through all of them here, and all that you have to do on these pages is follow along with the necessary information for you to find cheap car insurance costs. So I'm also going to give you general tips. First, increase your access. A higher access, which is the amount that you pay out of pocket before your insurance covers the claim, can lower your premium. Next, limit your mileage. If you don't drive frequently, consider limiting your annual mileage to reduce your premium. And you can consider something like black box insurance. Black box insurance uses a device installed in your car to track your driving habits. If they notice that your driving habits are safe and very good, they will give you lower premiums and more discounts. Next, take a driving course. By completing recognized driving courses, you will be able to demonstrate the driving skills and potentially lower your premium. And consider multi-policy discounts. If you have other insurance policies with the same insurer, you may be eligible for certain discounts. But when you arrive at all of these pages, all that you have to do afterwards is include the postal code and then answer any of the questions needed here, such as the model of the car, manufacturer, the year, and so on. You will be able to compare all of the quotes that they have available, and you will be able to choose the one that is best suited for you on both value and the features and benefits that are included. I hope I was able to help you on how to get cheap car insurance in Ontario. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.